Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to block links and hashtags on your YouTube comments. Sometimes people might put links on your comments to take those people or those viewers from your video to their channel or to outside resources. Sometimes those resources are good and helpful and can help your community, but sometimes there are people that are using your videos, your comment section to take people away from your channel to their channel. And sometimes you may not want that. You want people to stay engaged in your channel. Some people may leave this option open, but there are some people who may want to control what happens in their comment section. So today I'm going to show you how you can block links and hashtags on your comment section. Also, I'm going to show you how you can block certain words from your comments. People might use those words inappropriately to harm you or someone else on your YouTube channel. Without further ado, let me show you how to do that. First of all, you have to sign into your YouTube channel. Once you are in your YouTube channel, right here at the right hand corner, you have your icon here. Click there. Select YouTube Studio to take you to your YouTube Studio. Now here at YouTube Studio, right here on the left, scroll down till you find settings, and then under settings down here, click on community. Now here on community, you have automated filters and you have defaults. On defaults, under comments on your channel, you have the option, if you click here, to allow all comments, to hold potential inappropriate comments for review, hold all comments for review, or disable comments. In my case, I have mine here set to hold potential inappropriate comments for review. This means that if someone writes something that it's not appropriate, it will be held for review and you can do it later on and no one will see it. If you go back here to automated filters, scroll down and you will find down here block links. I've selected mine so it can block links and hashtags. If you read what's written down here, you will see that if you select this option, new comments with hashtags and URLs will be held for review. This setting doesn't apply to you, moderators, or approved users. This means if any of your moderators or approved users put a link on your comment, it will not be held for review. So if you want to block links and hashtag, you just have to select here and then click save. In my case, I don't have to click on save because I've already selected, but make sure you select block links and click save. Now let me show you how you can block some words in your comment section. If you want to block some words, under automated filters down here you have blocked words. What you have to do is to write the words that you want to block here. In my case, I want to block the word HTTP. So I'm going to write here HTTP and then to finish, click enter. If you want to write more words, click on comma to separate each word from each other. Once you're finished, click on save. That's all for this video, everyone. If you have any questions, leave that in a comment section and I'll try my best to respond all of them. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget, like it, share it, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.